1200C here with a little trick that I just came about. Since you're working alone on your bike and you need to make a bleed and you're waiting for somebody to come by and help you, they get fed up and rip the shirt off your back and use it as your friend that you're waiting for would, holding the brake down, pumping it, holding it, pumping it, holding it, while you bleed the brake. So here's the trick. I got this wrapped up. I'm going to show you how. There you go. There you go, how. So you take the tip, the end, wrap it up, tight, 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 twist it once, twist it twice. Let's twist it good. Twist it 3 times, let it go. Now I'm filming this while I'm doing this, that's why I was shaking. But I just want you to see this. Go to the brake, hold the brake, take the 10-inch, crack it open, let the air out, close it. Now, you'll have 2 hands free. You won't be filming. Unless you're making your own YouTube video, then you would do what I just did. And again, let's put that 10 down. Go back. Release the brake. Towel, shirt, whatever you want to use. I ripped the shirt off my back because I got so mad that nobody showed up. When you don't have a lot of subscribers or friends, that's what happens. Pump it 15 to 30 times. Don't pump it 5, you ain't doing nothing with it. You gotta let that run down. I got the cap loose, just covered. Cap loose, just covered. For no spillage. Now, this is the number 1 part. You see there? You see how I'm yanking tight, tight, twice, tight, tight, 3 times, throw it over. It's set. Back here, to show you again, number 10, use a point, let that juice out, close it back up. That's another key. Now, while we're talking about the other key and why is it there and why it fell, the washer on your, right there, the brake hose, you only use it once. I don't have that kind of money to go out and buy. It's not that convenient for me. Harley-Davidson dealership is far away, and right now, I don't like to date my videos, but this is during the COVID-19. I ain't going because it's closed, because I went and it's closed. Get all this stuff that I've been buying from AutoZone. I don't want to promote nobody. This is the only service that I've done without OEM. You could check out my Instagram, things I bought for it. Another thing, copper grease, copper sealant, copper grease. A lot of shit out there. I put copper sealant, I didn't put copper grease. For the brake pads, keep them high heat and maintained. Brake pads, can't even order them online. I'm not ordering nothing that's coming from China. I don't care, I would promote that. I'm not buying anything Chinese ever again. AutoZone, everything is made in America. I suggest everybody buy from AutoZone. If you can't buy, do not buy from, I'm not gonna say the promoter company, internet company. I'm gonna say China. Don't buy Chinese. And that's my video and that's my trick. Let me show you again. Snatch it, wrap it, twist it tight, 1 hand. Let it go. Okay. Pumped it 15 times about. Go into the brake. Now I had a bucket and a hose and everything. It's not happening because of storage. I just got that hose there, picking everything up. There you go. And bleeding my brake, you can see there. Gotta check the hole. Oh, time to put oil. No. Alright. That's front brakes bleeding. What I did is I wanted to clean them and rebuild the cylinder. So doing that on this video by yourself, and I showed you how. To rebuild the cylinder, I have everything in pieces until I get the cylinder out. I'm just gonna re-lube all the gaskets and all the, polish the cylinder, scrub it with a green pad. I don't have mesh. You can use whatever you want as long as you polish it out, no rust. And the back one's gonna be another video another day. I used the whole bottle, 300 millimeters, to bleed out the line because the cylinder is stuck and I'm rebuilding the cylinder. So you can do that too. Use 300. It's around, I'm on the 7th right now. I don't care, they say 5. If I have to do 10, the whole bottle, I don't care, as long as I get that cylinder out. If this rebuild doesn't work, what I'm gonna do after that is, yeah, just hold on a minute, guys. Rather than watching the cylinder and what I got to do, bleed the brake. There you go, it's coming out real clean now. It came out clean in the beginning, dirty in the end, everything was in the line. And now it's coming out clean again. So I'm gonna use the whole bottle, 300 grams. Yeah, around 15 times, guys. Yeah, the cylinder's not moving because this is soft as shit. So make sure it's hard before you stop. It might take hours. I've been on it 2 hours now. It might take you all day as long as your wife don't have a problem with it. My wife, due to COVID, is home. Not working. I'm a stay-at-home dad. Got some help. She's babysitting. So I'm working on my other baby. Have a good one, guys. Stay safe. Use your mask. Wash your hands frequently. And let's get rid of this virus. And I don't want to be a prejudiced bastard, but stop buying Chinese products. That's all I'm saying. Bye-bye, guys.